What's going on, everyone? My name is Brandon Hainline. Now today we have a very interesting video for you here. We're going to see if this 2008 Chrysler Town & Country can run off of hand sanitizer. That's right, that's exactly what I said. We've seen people pour brake fluid down the gas tank. We've seen people pour vodka, but never have I seen hand sanitizer. So today we're going to take all that leftover hand sanitizer we had from the pandemic, and we're going to see if we can get us where we need to go. We got a total of 5, which is a little bit over a gallon. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh, this is running really bad. We're pushing her to the gas station. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Now, this is how it's going to go down. We're going to take the van and we're going to drive it until it completely runs out of gas on its own. Then we're going to use the fuel of choice, the ZEP Hand Sanitizer spray, and we're going to put a little bit over a gallon right into the gas tank, and hopefully you can get us where we need to go. Now, as you can see here, we've got the engine running and we are completely empty, almost empty on gas. So we're going to keep driving this thing until it actually runs out of fuel. Let's see how far that's going to be. Reset the trip odometer. All right, let's get started. So we're going to drive this vehicle until it completely runs out of gas. I'm not sure how long this is going to take. It's already on E. The gas light is on, so I'm thinking maybe 10 or so miles, not 100% sure, but we're gonna find out. Now, I'm really interested to see what's gonna happen here. There is some science behind this of why I think the hand sanitizer could work. I did have to choose the liquid version over the gel version. If I was to pour the gel into the gas tank, it's just going to clog up the fuel pump, and it's pretty obvious it's not gonna run. So with the liquid version, at least it can run through the fuel pump, go to the engine, and hopefully it will burn, and hopefully it can get us where we need to go. Now, so far I have went 18 miles with the gas light on. All right, we have now been 31 miles since we left. The gas light is even further down now. So I did not think we would go this far being low on fuel. So pretty good test though. All right, so I think we are definitely running out of gas now. All right. Yep, we are completely out of gas. Pulling over now. We'll try to restart it here as... Yeah, she's just cranking. All right, that was 39 miles. Go ahead and hit those hazards. All right, so we've got the hand sanitizer here, and I brought some gas just in case this does not work. So let's get started. All right. First quart. God, this stuff stinks. That's that hand sanitizer that you put on your hands and it smells horrible. That's exactly what this stuff is. All right, so we've got active ingredients, 66% ethanol. That is going to help us out a lot. This is our last one. We got a total of 5, which is a little bit over a gallon. All right, we've got our hand sanitizer in the gas tank. Spilled a little bit there. Let's find out if she runs. All right, here we go. Here's the test. Oh, all right, started a little bit there. Roll this window up. All right, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh my gosh, it's running, are you kidding me? We're running off hand sanitizer right now. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Guess I should put my seatbelt on. This is nuts, dude. I can't believe this. All right, we started at 39.6 miles. Oh, she's not running good. She's not running good. Let's. All right, she's running pretty rough with 0.4. I think it's cut off. I think it's cut off. I'm gonna pop it in neutral right quick and see. Yep, the engine has definitely died. All right, so let's try this again. All right, it's in neutral. Cut the key off. Back on while we. Oh, come on, man. Oh, jeez. I'm like a mile away from the house. All right, trying to start the car while it's driving. I don't know if any of y'all ever done that or not, but all right, I'm completely down. All right, hit the hazards again. Just in case the engine's not running. All right, she's cranking and not starting. All right, so we ran completely out of gas on the interstate. We put over a gallon of hand sanitizer in the gas tank, and it did run for a short period of time, but now it is stalled out again. And I'm just wondering if we have used all of the hand sanitizer. All right, try this again. Come on, baby, start up, start up, start up. All right, it is almost running. Come on, baby. All right, this thing is barely running. It is running really, really rough. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're probably gonna get a check engine light. Oh, I better not do that. I'm not getting on the interstate yet. All right, let's get some higher RPMs up in there. Oh, this is running really bad. All right, she is definitely not liking this at all. Come on, baby. All right. Engine has stalled again. My exit's down there. Come on. Maybe I can make it. Well, I'm rolling about 20 miles an hour right now with the engine not running, coasting to the off ramp of the exit that I need to get off of. So, just not bad. We're at least getting where we need to go. All right, so I'm going to put the rest of this gas in the gas tank. So that's going to give us about 3 gallons of gas and about 1 gallon of hand sanitizer. I hope this dilutes it enough to where the vehicle will run. If not, we'll have to call for help. All right. Total of 3 gallons of gas. All right, come on, baby, start up. All right, this thing is not starting at all, and you can see I've got plenty of gas in it now. 72 miles to empty. Something has messed up. All right, this is not good. I've now put 3 gallons of gas in the engine, and it won't start. Jeez. Put her in neutral. We're gonna push it to the gas station. Here we go. Like an idiot. We're good. I'm just gonna roll down to the gas station.
You need a little push?
I just need to make it through the red light.
I'll give you a little push.
All right, brother. I just hopefully I can make it through the red light. All right, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. All right, here we go. All right. All right, we're rolling. And we're at red light. We got to stop. Now we can go. All right, we are coasting. Stupid. All right, engine still won't start. Still won't start. All right, here we go. Gas station. See if we can whip her in here somewhere. I'm gonna try to fill her up with gas. See what happens. All right. You gotta be kidding me. All right, so I pushed the van to this pump, and look, this is what I get here. The darn pump is jacked up. Just my luck. So I'm gonna use the pump on the other side. See what happens. Begin fueling. All right, we're using 93 octane. All right, we put about gallons of gas in the gas tank, so hopefully it'll start up. All right, let's find out if she starts up. We've put 10 gallons of gas in. Come on, baby. Nope. Come on, baby, come on. Come on. Don't leave me stranded, baby, don't leave me stranded. All right, so we are at Sheets, and I pushed the van over here because it has completely stopped running. It will not start, it just cranks over. And I don't know what we messed up. Could have messed up maybe a fuel injectors or a fuel pump. All right, so I'm going to do a little trick here that I hope works. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not, but I'm going to pour a little bit of gasoline down the intake, which is going to give us, we'll pull a little gasoline down the intake, which is going to give us, oh man, got that everywhere. What it's going to do is give us some gas fumes. I'm going to close that. It's going to give us some gas fumes. I hope and pray that thing doesn't backfire and catch on fire. All right, let's see what happens here. Here we go. All right, try one more time. Yeah! Yeah! All right. We got a green light. Oh, it's backfiring a little bit. We're gonna keep the RPMs high. This vehicle is 99.9% germ-free. All right, we're gonna make it home. So far, so good. This is awesome. Well, at least I don't have to replace a fuel pump or injectors or whatnot. I really thought I was gonna have to tow this thing in. We have now made it into the neighborhood, so I think we're gonna be all right. All right, so why did this run for a short period of time? It's because it has ethanol. Active ingredients, 66% ethanol, okay? Very, very interesting. Some of these vehicles are made to run off 85% ethanol. This vehicle is not. If you had a E85 vehicle, this gas cap would be yellow, okay? And it would say E85 on it, but this vehicle is not designed for E85, so it did not like this right here. If it was an E85 vehicle, I bet you this would run perfectly fine. All right, I want to mix this up a little bit and see what actually this looks like in the tank. I'm going to put half that. Now, that is what it's done to the fuel. It has just made it cloudy. Oh, look, it is separating at the bottom. Oh, look at that. Check it out. All right, so this is why it did not want to run. All right, because it's separated. When we put the fuel in, all of the hand sanitizer stayed at the bottom, okay? Now the van is back up and running smoothly again. Now I really thought that we would get better results than we actually did. Since it was 66% ethanol, I really thought that it was gonna just run poorly and maybe give us a poor performance. But having that said, what it did was it ran off of the vapors. So when we poured all of the hand sanitizer in the gas tank, it ran off of the vapors there for that short period of time. And then once those vapors were gone, that's it. She wasn't running anymore. There was nothing else in the tank that was flammable. Once we put the gas in the tank, it actually separated, okay? The gas separated from what was left of the ethanol, and that was not burnable. So we had to actually get all that through the fuel pump, through the fuel injectors, and then finally get actual gas to the engine. Now guys, let me know what you think about this test down in the description area below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys. I hope you're smarter now than you were when you started this video. Have a great day.